Inorganic reaction mechanism. Inorganic reaction mechanism. Rate of reaction. Factors affecting the rate of reaction. Technique for determination of rate of reaction. Direct chemical analysis, spectrophotometric method, electrochemical and flow method. Content. Definition of rate of reaction. Factors affecting the rate of reaction. Techniques for determination of rate of reaction. Direct chemical analysis, spectrophotometric method, electrochemical and flow method. Rate of reaction. What does rate of reaction mean? The speed of different chemical reaction varies. Usually, some reactions are very fast and other are very slow. The speed of reaction is called the rate of reaction. The rate of reaction depends on the frequency of collision between the particles, the energy with which particles collide. Rate of reaction. Factors affect the rate of reaction. Increase temperature, increase concentration of dissolved and increase pressure of reactant, gaseous reactants, increase surface area of a solid reactants, use of catalyst. Rate of reaction. Temperature. When you rise the temperature of a system and the molecules bounce around a lot more. They have more energy when they bounce around more, they are more likely to collide. The fact means they are also more likely to combine. When you lower the temperature, the molecules are slower and collide less. That temperature drop lower the rate of reaction. Rate of reaction. How does the temperature affect the particle collision? At lower temperature and higher temperature. In this figure, we see rate of reaction. Concentration. If there is more of a substance in a system, there is a greater chance that molecules will collide and speed up the rate of the reaction. If there is less of something, there will be fewer collision and the reaction will be probably happen at slower speed. Then rate of reaction. Concentration. How does concentration affect the particle collision? At low concentration and at higher concentration. At low concentration, we see 0, and at higher concentration, we see rate of reaction. Pressure affects the rate of reaction, especially when you look at gases. The gas particles become closer together, increasing the frequency of collision. This means that the particles are more likely to react at lower temperature and at higher pressure. Techniques for determination of rate of reaction. Direct chemical analysis, spectrophotometric method, electrochemical and flow method. Direct chemical analysis. Direct chemical analysis deals with a rate of chemical process in chemicals. The isolation method is a technique for simplifying the rate law in order to determine it. This method involves the direct analysis of either of a reactant or product involving a new net chemical change. Spectrophotometric method. Spectrophotometric method is a method to measure how much a chemical substance absorbs light by measuring the intensity of light as a beam of light passes through the sample solution. The basic principle is that Each compound absorbs or transmits light over a certain range of wavelength. Thank you.